We'll go next to James Hoggett calling from Lincoln, UK. After James Hoggett, we'll go to Michael Rice. Please put your name on record and begin your testimony. You have 2 minutes. James Hoggett.
Yeah, for the record, my name's James Hoggett. I'm an independent laptop repair technician based in the United Kingdom, and I would like to testify in full support of House Bill 162. As someone who repairs laptops every day, I do see firsthand how these restrictions placed on by the manufacturers, whether it be the parts, the diagnostic tools, service manuals or firmware updates, it's making it impossible or extremely expensive for individuals like myself to fix devices. And unfortunately, a lot of the devices I work on often fail just outside of the warranty period. So that means for a customer, they've got to take their device to an authorised repair centre. It's not going to be available locally to them, or the price of the repair they offer is too expensive. So they're forced to buy a brand new device, which is obviously causing the e-waste. And this is hurting small businesses as well, who would willingly take on the repair if they were given all the resources they need. So I do believe that this Bill 162 definitely fixes things by requiring the manufacturers to provide the same documentation and parts and tools that are given to the authorised repair centres to independent people like myself, so we can fix devices for people. And this bill will definitely lower the repair costs for consumers and keep more money in the local communities and support jobs like mine, and reduce electric waste as well, and give consumers real choices as well. And I don't believe that it would force any disclosure of trade secrets, and still protects the manufacturers for liability for improper repairs. So yeah, I would just urge the committee to pass House Bill 162 without weakening any of the exemptions, for example like games consoles. It seems to be a common sense protection for consumers. They need to know that when their device fails, they will be able to get it repaired in the future for a reasonable price. And yeah, thanks for giving me the opportunity to testify.
Thanks for your testimony. We'll go now to